Welcome to Brick Stuff. Today we're going to show you how to make this minifigure scale typewriter. We're going to start off with a 3x2 and on the front of that a sloping tile brick. Then we're going to add one of these movable pieces and that fits down onto the sloping tile. Then we take two 1x1s with the studs on the side and place them either side on the back, with the studs pointing to the sides. To make the keys of our typewriter, we're going to use this keypad tile and neaten off the studs with just a plain tile. On the back again, another tile just to neaten off. Then onto the studs on the side bricks, we're going to add two of these 1x1s with claws. I'm just going to angle them up, ready to hold the typewriter ribbon. Then onto the left hand side we're going to place one of these aerial pieces and that's going to act as the lever. Now I've just printed off a small piece of paper that says Brick Stuff, and I'm going to push that into the gap here. Then we're going to add our ribbon using one of these rod pieces and push that into the claws, which holds our paper in place. And there we have a minifigure scale typewriter.